everyone, this video is about how to open a Forex trading account. So let's get started. Right now we are on the Investoforex website. So we go to Brokers menu. Here we have few links of regulated brokers available on our website. I'll choose Exness. On the home page of Exness, under the New Account section, choose your country, enter your email address, type a strong password, and then click on Continue. It will create your Exness personal area from where you can open live trading accounts. There is also a demo trading account readily available. To trade on demo accounts, simply click on Demo under My Accounts, set the balance for demo trading. To open a live trading account, click on Open New Account. It will take you to a page displaying types of accounts and information on spread, commissions, and minimum deposits. Another option is to click on Become a Real Trader on the top right. It will take you to a page where you need to verify your phone number and enter personal information. Now this is the first half of the verification. So enter your phone number and click Send me a code. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your phone number and click Continue. In personal information, enter your name, date of birth, and address. Make sure it matches to the one in your important documents. Click on Continue and the first half of your verification is complete. To complete the second part of the verification, click on Complete Verification. Now under this form, choose your profession, employment status, your trading experience, reason for opening the account, your annual income, total wealth, your source of income and wealth, and then click on Continue. In the next form, choose from the ID type to verify your identity. Here you will need to upload the front and back of the document. Upload it and click Next. In the final form, upload a photo of your proof of address and click Continue. The verification process is complete. Now you are ready to deposit and trade. If you like our video, subscribe to our channel Investoforex, like and share. Thanks for watching.